Okay, so today we're going to show a couple new features in the CarrierFinder tool and also mix in some sales information about the CenturyLink Fiber Plus service. So I'm going to go ahead and pop in an address, and as you can see it starts to pull up addresses if there's something interesting about the address. I'm going to pop this up and press submit. And we see, lo and behold, it did locate the address. It told us some information about who the carriers are that serve this area, who the telco is, etc. The new features that have been put in are in the lit building results. And so now what we see here is we have a couple new controls. We have the well, first of all, let me point out the default radius we're showing in this large circle is 1 mile. If I zoom in, these controls are new. We have a zoom control, and you now see a small circle that is a 100-foot diameter. You can see that is noted up here. Okay, and we can zoom out, and if you happen to get off center, you can click center, and we can zoom back out again. Okay, as far out as you want. Now, a new thing you'll notice here is that if we wanted to increase the search radius, we can go all the way up to 10 miles. I'm going to just go 5 miles, and I would press submit. And now our radius is increased to 5 miles. Now we still only display a limit of 100 lit buildings, fiber lit buildings, within a certain radius, so you would actually have to change your marker if you wanted to find more buildings. But where this will come in nicely is if you did a search on a site and not much came up, you could then increase your radius and find out more, find more buildings. So okay, so want to also mix in here, well actually, you know what, I'm going to show you an example of how that can come in. I'm going to just put in a city, small city, town down in Oregon. And we can see that it really didn't pick up a whole lot. Only got 3 sites. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and do 10 miles. And now we can see it popped up a lot more sites within the radius. Okay. While this list is up here, you can also group by carrier. So now I can see all the CenturyLink sites and the Comcast level 3 Time Warner. Reset it. Map view. Okay, I'm going to go back to, now I'm going to talk specifically about how you can use this to research Fiber Plus by CenturyLink. Click on our lit building report. And we see, first of all, it just found out there was an exact match here. CenturyLink Fiber Plus. Again, I could zoom in, click on that building. I could click on other buildings to see distance. But what I want to do is go to the list view and get more info here. And I'm going to look for the ones that say 0 distance and have a thumbs up. And in this case, we see that this has CenturyLink Fiber Plus, GPON, and information about the services available by clicking this link over on the right hand side. And here you'll see a blog article that I wrote back in October of 2014. There's also a link to a LinkedIn article that was written, and a presentation that you can view by just clicking this button. And you can learn all about Fiber Plus. Okay. The reason why we think it's such an important product is that if your site does qualify for this, you cannot lose on price by selling CenturyLink Fiber Plus, because we can sell 100 meg symmetrical service in the $200 to $300 range. We can sell gigabit symmetrical service for $6.99 a month, and all kinds of speeds in between. So very, very amazing pricing. And again, to learn more about it, you can go through CarrierFinder to get to that link, or you can go straight to our website at ctg3.com and go into our blog training. And now when you would like a price request, you simply click on the pricing request and tab, and then click on the button, and you fill out your request and fill a couple other questions, and boom, you will be making your request. So very simple, very clean, very easy, which is our goal in everything we do with CarrierFinder. And CTG3 is just to make things easy for you. There you go. Have a great day. Talk to you later.